my peoples? So, as you can see, my room looks a little different. This is my last video in this room because I'm moving out of my dorm room. It's the end of my freshman year of college, and my best friend Katie is here, and my roommate David. Well, for now, until like later in the future.
Next week? You mean tomorrow?
Not next week, but like. But I want to film one last video in this room. I feel like this is kind of crooked. If it is, I'm sorry, y'all. It is what it is. But it's my last Boxy Charm review. And, well, not my last, but last for now in this room. And their theme was eye candy this month. They really, I like this little trifold thing they got. That's real cute. Like, they ain't had this before. It's just like that one little card or whatever. But the first thing I saw when I opened this box was... Sorry, everything's on the floor. Was the Semi-Precious palette from ColourPop. It's all shimmers. And I'm wearing it today. I've tried, what colors have I tried? I tried that one. I did a really dramatic look with this one if you saw on my Instagram. And I'm wearing this one on my lid today. And it's so pretty. Like, all shimmers, but like, they're great lid colors. And you don't even have to wet them. Like, I applied this with a fluffy brush. And you still got this kind of pigment. So like, and that is $26, which I think is completely worth it. Like, you might have to, of course, you gotta add other colors for your transitions and all that, because this is all shimmers. But it's really cute, and I say it's worth it. Next thing I saw was this lip gloss by, I never knew how to pronounce this name. But I also got, their matte top coat for nails. It wasn't that good, to be honest. But this lip gloss, it's look how pretty it is. It's so high shine, too. And it's full on pigment. Like, I don't want to swatch it because it's a gloss, and I'm cleaning it up right now to leave. But it goes full on pigment, in one swipe. You don't have to layer anything. Because at first I thought this was a liquid lipstick, and I was like, why look all separated and stuff? But no, it's a gloss, and I really, really like it. It doesn't have a weird smell at all, or anything like that. It's not gooping, it's like a regular gloss that's not goopy. But this is $24. I probably wouldn't pay that for this, but it's a really cute gloss, so I basically got this for free. Because that by itself is $3 more than the price of the box by itself. But next thing I saw is this from Dr. Brandt. It's called their vacuum cleanser, Pores No More. I haven't tried this yet. My skin look good right now, but this is through the camera. But I've tried some of their other stuff I got in Boxy Charm, and I really like it. When my skin's really acting up, fugly and all that stuff, and trifling, I go to my Dr. Brandt stuff that I got in their box, and this is $47. I haven't tried it, but I can't wait to, and I love their stuff so far from what I've used. Next thing in the box. Two last things. I got this from the Brow Gal. I used their brow powder that also came in the box in the past. But one, I don't like this. First, it made my brows really light. I don't really think it did much for me. Katie, you want this?
So, can I match my eyebrows?
Well, I used it, and my brows are black.
Okay.
But it has fibers in it too, but I don't like it. They ain't do nothing for me but slightly lighten my brows, and they look weird, and they weren't laying flat, and no, it's not something I'll get by myself. But the last thing, oh, by the way, that was, so, do you see how, this little thing, it's not even big as my thumb. It's $22. Hell no. Girl, you can have this. I don't want it.
Okay.
And the last thing that came in this box was the Tardis Pro Glow liquid highlighter. And I'm not a huge fan of liquid highlighters. There were 3 shades that came in this month's box. Everyone got a different one of the 3. It was $29. I really like it as a base. Because I don't like applying liquid highlighters like that, because, I'm bad at it. And the second, I use so many powders, But, I used it today, and this is the shade Exposed. And I used it as, in person is really blinding, but I just used it as a base for this. But that's this month's Boxy Charm. On top of that, remember I said I was doing a wish order. it's on the floor.
Okay.
But I got these little things, like these little jewels, you know, to stick on your face and all that. Like the sword sizes and stuff, because I've been really into that lately. Like, they take too long to apply, but I'm really into it lately, and I kind of like it. I also got this lip liner in color duo. I'm not going to swatch it, like I said, because I am cleaning now with that on my hand. But it's like this mauve color, and like, it matches my eyes. Like, look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. But I might be doing a video when I get back to campus, because I am taking a spring class, so I only have like a week off, of like my first year, all that stuff, maybe some tips. And I'm gonna love him so, I'm gonna miss him so much. Yeah, my nerves, but like, I'm gonna miss him so much. Even her, I'm gonna miss her, even though I'm gonna see her over this whole, I'm gonna see her for like 5-7 weeks in a week. So like, she basically gonna live with me.
Yep. I'll be in here.
I'm gonna be gone.
Every day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be in your room from 2:30 to midnight.
You might be
Her at 2:30 p.m. to midnight.
Because I have no
You
life.
know she's lying. She's gonna be in there from 7 a.m. There's been times
No,
I've been sleeping and
No.
I'll wake up to her
Technically,
on
if she
her
got
phone.
there at 5
I'd be like,
p.m. on
how
one day,
long
doesn't
have you
leave
been
till
there?
5 p.m. the other day.
Like, I'll be asleep and I'll wake up to her in my room. And I'll be like, how long have you been there? Like 30 minutes or so, an hour. I'll be like, you really just been watching me sleep?
It's just watching.
But that's it for this video.
You were
I'm Faced
up
by
for
Trevor.
that.
Alright, my camera keep cutting off. But watch some of my other videos and subscribe. It's on one of these sides. I'm Faced by Trevor. And have a good one.
Have a good